Hi. So Blender 2.8 is currently in beta, and there's a lot of great features coming. One of the problems, though, is that it crashes. And that's not unusual for betas, but it happens. So I thought I'd share with you really quickly how to recover from crashes. The first line of defense is obviously to save often, but that doesn't always happen because we're focused on what we're doing. The second line of defense actually is autosave, which is a great function. There's actually a button in the file menu on Blender that says recover autosave, and that's actually a great thing to have there. I find that it hasn't always worked though, so my third strategy is actually to change my mindset. And that sounds kind of weird, but what I do, instead of raging, is just think to myself, it's going to be better the second time, and I'm going to be able to do it faster. And those are all true things, because the second time, you know what you would do differently. So that's actually kind of great. So if you think about it with this logic, Blender crashing will actually improve your work. As long as you don't